We have learned a good number of French words and we have made many sentences using them. Let's test ourselves today. In this video, we'll come across different types of questions. You need to write answers in your notebook and score yourself. You can also post your answer in the comment section and I or someone else can see and maybe suggest corrections if required. Let's start. Translate these sentences from English to French. Yes, it's very good. It is very beautiful. No, it is absolutely delicious. I think that it's fantastic. It's always very good here. Now, translate the sentences from French to English. C'est absolument délicieux, mais c'est mauvais pour moi. Pour moi, c'est bon ici, mais pour elle, ce n'est pas parfait. Tout est toujours fantastique ici. Oui, ça c'est le restaurant. Oui, pour moi, c'est absolument fantastique ici. So, how was your exam? There were a total of 10 questions. Score yourself and share the score in the comment section. If you like our videos and want us to keep making them, you can contribute as well. Like, comment, share and subscribe. You can also follow us on our socials. There is a link to the test in the description box. Click it and you can take the test online. That's all for today. In the next video, we'll learn the word poulet, which means chicken. Can you think of some sentences with this word? See you there.